Hi guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have something very interesting to talk about. So this isn't something I usually talk about on my channel, and that is makeup. And it's cool because I actually know the analytics of my channel, which means I know who's watching my videos. And I know that the majority of you are women. So I wanted to take a little video to talk to you guys about what makeup to wear if you have eczema, and especially if you have eczema on your face. So just as a general overview, I wanted to tell you guys what to avoid when you're trying to find makeup. So a lot of drugstore makeup, so things that are found at like Walgreens or CVS or just little convenience stores, be very cautious because a lot of times they have very harmful chemicals in their makeup. There are a few ingredients like parabens, silicones. Basically, if you can't pronounce it, and there's a lot of things that you can't pronounce in the ingredients, do not buy that makeup. So there's a few brands that are out there that actually have ingredients that you can completely pronounce, completely understand what you're putting on your face. One of the companies is called 100% Pure, and it's this really awesome makeup company, and all of their stuff is like, their makeup's pigmented with fruit. All the ingredients are made from nature, not chemically manufactured. And another brand that I really like is the Honest Company. And if you remember a bunch of videos back, I talked about like a cream to put on your eczema by that company. Funny enough, it was for babies, for diaper rash, and that's what I used to use on my flare-ups. But the Honest Company has a brand for makeup called Honest Beauty. So I'm gonna share like some stuff that I personally use. So we will start from the beginning, which is foundation. For some people it's primer, but I don't wear primer. So I use 100% pure BB cream, and I will mix this with coconut oil and apply it to my face. Keep the ratio with like less coconut oil to foundation because you don't want your face to be completely oily. That's just my little thing that I like to do. The coconut oil is antimicrobial, meaning that it fights bacteria on your face, which is amazing. Coconut oil helps clear your acne as well, so mixing it with a natural like BB cream or foundation is awesome. So then, after I put a cream foundation on, I want to set it with powder. And this company I feel both ways about. So it's called Physicians Formula, and it's this little container right here, and some of their products are good, some of their products are iffy. I like this powder. If you can get a powder from 100% Pure, that's better, but I went to the store and I just grabbed something, and I know Physicians Formula, out of all the drugstore brands, is one of the best. So I will just take this powder, swish it around my brush, and then pack it in under my eyes because that's where I usually set my foundation. What's nice about this is it's color correcting. You know, if you have a lot of red from your eczema, it has greens in it that are going to help reduce the redness. So while we're on this subject of using brushes, I wanted to talk to you about the brushes that I use because they're incredibly soft. They're so nice. They're Eco Tools, and the bristles are very soft, very anti-irritating for your skin. So then we're gonna put our eyeshadow on, and this is where Honest Beauty comes in. I just got this palette in the mail yesterday. I'm very excited about it. So it's just a eyeshadow palette, super awesome, bunch of different colors. The one that I got is in, it's called Get It Together Eyeshadow Palette. So let's just have some fun. I'm gonna read some of the names of the colors. So Soft Bronze, Iced Cotton, Matte Plum, strobed champagne, gilded mauve, sunlit copper, burnt mocha, chromed petal, and then the two bottom ones, vanilled velvet and magnetic ink. How exciting. Now these videos are not sponsored. We're not there yet. I wish it was sponsored, but this is just products that I genuinely think are beneficial for you guys. And so for my last trick is mascara. This mascara is truly amazing. So this is pigmented with fruit. That's how they get it to be so dark. And it smells so nice. And don't do this. Like, I'm not advising you to do this, but I will leave my mascara on when I sleep and I wake up. My mascara is perfect. Like, it doesn't harm my eyes at all. Sometimes I get really dry, itchy eyes if I wear makeup. Not at all. This product is phenomenal. So that wraps up all the makeup that I use, and I hope this will help you guys out. I've never had eczema on my face, so I can only really tell you what I do now based on healthy ingredients that are found in these two brands. So let me know if this stuff works out for you, if you want to buy it. Also, I'm going to link things down below. So it's going to say coachmichellemills.com/makeup. And you guys can find the links to all of these products down there. So I want to hear from you guys. What types of videos do you want to see next? What questions about eczema do you have that I haven't answered yet? I have a lot of videos to come, but I'm curious to see what you guys have to say. So talk to me down below, leave me some comments. Also, give this video a big thumbs up if you are ready for the videos to come. I'm gonna do a what I eat in a day, just all sorts of different things. So be ready for that and subscribe to me so you don't miss any of it. Love you guys so much.